Well, I have a 7000 series kohler that will crank but will not start. On the couple of occasions I have been able to get it to start when underloaded feels as though I have less than 50% power and will sometimes die. Once the engine is warm it will restart with little to no issue.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, fresh fuel, no shut-off valve.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hi, I'm Wayne. I will help you with this when cranking. Check to see if you have sparks at the plug.
There is strong spark on both cylinders.
Thank you for that. First off, pull the valve cover and make sure the push rods for the rocker arms are secure and no a lot of play. That engine has hydraulic lifters, so no adjustment, Wayne.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.